Hello everyone, my name is Aniket. I am from Mumbai. I have completed my BSc, which is Bachelor of Science Information Technology from Mumbai University. And after the graduation, I was actually looking for a job. Then I got to know about Evision from one of my friend called Aman Thakur. And in Evision, I have learned about what is basic networking. In basic networking, we have discussed about LAN, WAN, types of it, like networks. And after that, we have talked about Windows administration. In Windows administration, we have came to know about how to create a virtual machines by using the VMware and many more softwares. And then third topic we have discussed about what is CCNA, which is Cisco Certified Network Association. And then we have discussed about what is ITIL. In ITIL is basically information technology infrastructure library. And then we have discussed about cybersecurity. In cybersecurity, we have discussed about what kind of viruses are there, what is Kali units, and we have also hands-on experience on Kali units. And then we have discussed about types of antiviruses, which included in cybersecurity. So for all this support, I would like to thank you to all of my teachers who helped me throughout this year, throughout the course, and also for anyone like who's searching a job in IT field or who's like want to join some multinational company. Evision will be the great platform to start. Thank you.